Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you pink camo nail art design step by step guide. A cute and girly spin on Camo fledge. Let's move to step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a light pink nail polish. Then move to next step number 2. Using a nail art brush and a white nail polish, create irregular shapes all over your nails. Step number 3. Repeat the previous step, a lighter pink nail polish. It's okay if the shapes overlap. Step number 4. Repeat the step again with a darker pink nail polish. And repeat the step for your next hand. Start by painting your nails with a light pink nail polish. Then next step is using a nail art brush and white nail polish. Create irregular shapes all over your nails. Step number 3. Repeat the previous step with the lighter pink nail polish. It's okay if the shapes overlap. Step number 4. Repeat the step again with a darker pink nail polish. Step number 5. Remove all the extra nail polish if landed in your skin with nail remover or thinner as well. Final step is finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Hopefully you like my today's video and design as well. You can make easily pink camo nail design step by step at your home. Here you go, your design is ready. Please enjoy your design with your colleagues and family and friends as well. If you have any query, please comment me in this video. And if you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.